Gifford House at Capitol Reef National Park has pie, hopefully. Fruta Campground, our first time staying here. Very nice, shady, and it's time for pie. Why pie, you ask? Well, there's a story. This area was settled in the 1880s by Mormons. The fertile valley soil and the Tremont River made it conducive to growing crops and orchards. Some of these orchards still exist today, leading to a perfect opportunity to sell fruit pies. Sue's favorite is the cherry pie. I like the apple.
The Moenkopi Formation, but it will soon disappear under the ground and you'll be in the Chinle Formation.
There is no pullout here due to the narrowness of the road. As you continue to drive into Capitol Gorge, additional rock layers are revealed. Near the base of the cliffs, Wingate sandstone forms a sheer rock wall. Above, the cliff forms ledges dotted with green vegetation, like shrubs and trees. This ledgy-veggy layer is the Kayenta Formation. Alternating layers of floodplain mudstones and river channel sandstones form the stepped cliff band frequented by bighorn sheep. Above the Kayenta, the Navajo sandstone forms rounded domes of white rock. Windblown dunes returned to the area to form this iconic layer, also visible in Zion, Arches, and Canyonlands National Parks. The sandstone domes, reminiscent of the U.S. Capitol building, inspired the Capitol portion of the park's name. Reef references a barrier to travel, borrowed from the nautical term. Rather than a barrier reef, this area is a barrier of rock.
Check out the bats.
Another little video here, just to show how well adapted these birds are to their aquatic environments.
This is the Hickman's Bridge Trail. Not too busy yet. Can we walk on top of that one? Nope. Panorama Point.
in honor of the Leggy Veggie Cayenta layer, I've cooked up some chickpea pasta with some dehydrated mushrooms, a little broth, and I cooked that, and then I added some veggies that we bought, just, you know, pre-cut veggies from the grocery store. Cooked that all till it was nice and soft. Most of the boiling water has cooked away, and now I'm going to add some pesto that I brought from home to make it a pesto pasta. Hey now, Wiley. Sorry, none for you.
Is there a Roadrunner in there?
No Roadrunner, sorry.
6,400 feet. Should be another 100 to go. Up there. We're at the top of
The Tremont River Trail overlook.
6,500 feet. 400 feet from where we started. We wanted to start a half an hour earlier. There was a snafu with our campground site, which was not our error. We were in the right site for 2 nights. They changed the tag erroneously. But here we are. 60 degrees of Utah awesomeness. It's almost 9 o'clock. We're going to a ranger talk about mountain lions at the amphitheater right over there. Well, we can highly recommend Capitol Reef National Park. The camping here is really nice. Oh, that's the amphitheater, by the way. We went to the mountain lion talk last night. Very interesting. There's some deer still hanging around. But we're leaving, unfortunately. On to Bryce National Park. Let's go. We're on our way to Bryce Canyon, and yes, that's snow.